Okay, to create a histogram, we're going to go to the very first menu icon at the top called Descriptives for Descriptive Statistics. I'm going to click on that, and we have to tell the computer program which of these variables do we want to see plotted out. Do we want to see how many thumbs, pointers, middles, rings, and pinkies there were? Or do we want to see how the actual lengths of the fingers in the data set, and how many were short and how many were long and how many were in between? So in this case, we want to look at the actual length. If we do which finger, we're just going to get however many people there were in the class for each of those fingers, right? What we really are interested in, what we really care about, is how long are those fingers. So we're going to move length over to our variables box by clicking the little arrow, right? So highlight and click the arrow to move it to the variables box. You can also just drag things back and forth. Now, this is not a histogram. This is telling us that we have 134 cases in this file. One of them is missing. It gives us the average length and then some more information of things that we're going to talk about coming up. Like the shortest finger in the class was 40 millimeters, whereas the longest fingers in the class was 95 millimeters. So quite a big spread there. Now what we actually want to see here is our histogram. So to get that, we're going to expand this menu that says plots. And what we want to see is histograms are a basic distribution plot. And there is our histogram. So now we can see here on the x-axis, we're looking at how long are these fingers. So we can see a lot of fingers are kind of in this middle chunk from maybe between 50 to 70. We have some shorter fingers down here, some longer fingers up here. But we can see this general shape. It's not perfectly normal, but again, there's more in the middle, but it's a kind of funky shape. All right, so here is our distribution plot. So you're going to want to make a brief sketch or copy and paste this, even better, so you can save it. So to do that, you can click on the little arrow and click copy. You can also do it right here or save your image.